Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping. Rinse 1 cup rice until the water runs clear. This removes surface starch, so grains stay separate. Meanwhile, chop 2 large tomatoes and 1 onion finely because small pieces cook faster and release more flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add the onion and a pinch of salt to draw out moisture. Sauté until translucent. You're setting the flavor base. Move quickly so the onions soften without browning. Once the onions are soft, add the chopped tomatoes and crush them with the spoon. Cook 6 to 8 minutes until the mixture becomes saucy and reduces by roughly 1/4, concentrating sweetness and acidity. Next, sprinkle in 1 tsp chili, 0.5 tsp turmeric, and 1 tsp salt. Blooming these in the hot fat releases oils and deepens aroma. Now fold in the drained rice and stir for 1 minute so each grain is coated. This step prevents clumping and promotes. You now add 2 cups hot water, bring it to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce to low and seal with a tight lid. Cook undisturbed for 12 to 15 minutes so steam finishes the rice uniformly. Once done, remove from heat and let it rest covered for 8 minutes. This firms the grains and lets residual steam finish any last kernels. Finally, fluff with a fork and garnish. If it's too wet, simmer uncovered briefly. If undercooked, add a few tablespoons of hot water, cover, and steam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.